Hi traders, welcome to my YouTube channel and hi to you from Dubai. This is the UAE National Day is coming, so I want to present you some things that I like to be with me because of some holidays. I'm going to talk to you about trading, about things that are important for you as a trader, and of course I'm going to give you my forecast, my trading ideas here. But before you trade, please make sure that you know how to put stop loss, how to put take profit, what your trading system is, and you know money management. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, well, please, I think you should go and study first. Trading, investing, this is a job. This is a thing that will take your time. If you want just to put money somewhere, you may lose. And like 95% of people lose money first before they earn. And this is something that I want to tell to everyone all the time I make a video. And after that, we can go to make some forecasts and we'll talk about technical picture. Take a look. This is the Great Britain pound. Current price is 118.30. There are my traders, fellows who say that Great Britain pound will go higher to 125 because this level of support, which we saw near 104, this is the historical support, and there was a rebound, so price will try to go higher, higher and higher. There is no opportunity for us to see that price goes to 114, for example. I told you in my shorts that there are a few levels of support which I think are important. First of all, this is 117. And for today, it's 22nd of November. If they break 118, under this level, I will sell down to 117 on 15-minute chart. Right now, I show you the 4-hour chart, but on 15-minute chart, if they break 118 down, I will sell to 117. Or they stay above 119.40, 119.30, above this area. It's over here. After that, we buy with the target 120, 121, 123, and 125. This is it. That's what you have to know about Great Britain pound. I don't say that you should sell or you should buy. Here are some zones that are evident to trade. And when price is under 118, it's okay to sell down to 117, but not 114 yet, because 117 is important. So now we may go to 1-hour chart, and you may see that last hour was trying to go up, so they're not hitting 118 down. They're not hitting the support. I wanted to drink some coffee, but I think you will hear that, so I'm going to leave it for later. Okay, now we can go to like 15-minute chart. And I told you that here is level of resistance, but it's too far from current price. You will be like, but what are we going to do now? Now, sometimes it's better to wait and do nothing. Or you can trade with signals of stochastic oscillator. For example, on 30-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, after you see price near 20 area, it means that stochastic oscillator is trying to give us opportunity to buy Great Britain pound. When do we end this deal? After stochastic oscillator goes up to 80 area. But you'll ask me, like, for example, Masha, are you ready to buy Great Britain pound right now? No, I'm not. Because as I told you before, important level of support is 118, and I also follow the RSI period 14, so it wasn't near the 30 area. Despite the fact that stochastic oscillator is giving us this opportunity to buy now because they are near a 20 zone, I wouldn't buy because RSI, and we can see that this is a range, RSI is not near 30 area. It is important for me. So after RSI hits 30 area, I will get one more explanation, one more reason that, okay, here is a good technical support, and if they don't break this 118 area down, I will try to buy from that area intraday. For how long am I gonna hold this deal? Until RSI and stochastic are on their way to up. Stochastic goes to 80 area, RSI goes to 70 area. Now we go to euro dollar. On daily chart, there are 3 days that price was going down. Some of traders are like, oh yes, this is the short position for 100%. Wait, here is important level of resistance. 102.60, and right now price is there, 102.60. Next level of support is 1 101. So here is 160 points to go down. And this technical support I take from a Shimoku cloud. This is the Shimoku Kijun-sen line. So under 102.60, after I see shadows on the top side from 15-minute chart to 30-minute chart, I can sell down to 101. Let's check 15-minute chart. Right now, there are no shadows on the top side. There is no signal for stochastic oscillator. So there is no reason for me to sell euro-dollar right now. Should I buy? You'll be like, okay, if we don't sell, should we buy? We go back to euro-dollar and we try to check 4-hour chart. They are in a Shimoku cloud. Okay, they went to correction and they are on the way down from correction. Okay, we check 1-hour chart. They are under a Shimoku cloud. On the way to 70 area for RSI. Okay, but still they are under a Shimoku cloud, so it's dangerous to buy. We go on 30-minute chart. They're still in a Shimoku cloud. Not the upgoing tendency, but after down correction, they are in uncertainty. I wouldn't say it's a good idea to buy right now. Even if price hits like 103.50, right now there is no signal. When is it going to be the signal? Look, on 15-minute chart, price is under 200 moving average. We don't buy if price is under this 200 moving average. If they try to hit it, they give rebound, I will sell. Or price tries to hit 200 moving average, they stay above, and after that we are like, okay, we should buy. I hope you understand that. So that's how we make trading decision. I need to see those shadows on the bottom side or on the top side, but from a good level of support or from a good level of resistance. If it's not like that, it's not going to work for me. I'm going to wait. I can't sell just now and wait for like 101. I need to see shadows on the top side, and I need price to go under 102.70, 102.60. After that, I sell. We go to United States dollar with the Japanese yen, and we all know that they didn't hit 138.60, so they gave us a rebound. And right now, price didn't hit the RSI 70 area. I would expect price to go higher to 143. Current price 141.70, but level of resistance is around 143. So you may check these levels later. Never listen to any traders or any people who speak on YouTube, and don't take this into account as a call to action. You always have to have your trading system, and only after that you may take into account my trading ideas. If they match your trading system and things that I'm talking about are fair enough for you as a trader, you can take them into account, but you don't trade with my trading ideas, because I have my specific stop loss, I have my specific timing for trading. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm trying to get sick, but every day I'm like getting sick, and after that I feel okay. After that, in the evening I feel like I'm sick again, and in the morning I'm sick, but in the nighttime I sleep like I'm a wealthy person. So right now I feel like I'm gonna sneeze because I feel a little bit sick again. Maybe this is because of air conditioner, I don't know. I'm sorry that I don't talk about things that you are waiting for. Okay, so about the Japanese yen, I told you what I'm thinking about. So there is no sell signal for me right now, because I'm okay to sell under level of support down to 134 area. But right now, I feel like they're going to stay in small range. If I believe that they're going to stay in range, I should add RSI period 14 on 15-minute chart and 30-minute chart. If I check 15-minute chart, they are not near 30 area, so I don't buy right now. If I check 30-minute chart, they are not near 30 area, I don't buy right now. I'm going to wait price to go down to support area to see shadows on the bottom side, and after that, on 15-minute chart or on 30-minute chart, I'm going to buy with the target, as I told you before, up to 143. I hope it will help you to earn some money, guys. Now we can talk about gold, Brent, and silver. Brent oil is 88 per barrel. I told you that under 89 we sell down to 77, and yesterday there was there were news about the OPEC that are trying to argue about the oil that they are getting from the earth, and Brent decided to hit 82.80 area. After that, they jump up because, well, of news. Someone says one thing, they go down. Someone says another thing, they go up. This situation gives me an understanding that, like on 4-hour chart, we should try to trade in a range. This is something I was trying to find for myself this morning, that Brent oil, they're not hitting my support area at 77, and they're too far right now. So above 89, I'm going to try to buy Brent oil due to this range. And I'm going to try to buy above 89 with a target on RSI. I mean, like, I'm going to hold this long position up to 70 area until RSI is on its way to 70 area over here. I'm going to hold my long position, which I get above 89 area. 89 price, I mean, $89 per barrel. But 70 area, this is the RSI level of resistance. So I consider that this is a range. What you can see now, this is a range. We could see a good shadow on the top, on the bottom side, and if this is a range, we expect price to go up to 70 area. I don't know, maybe this will be like $92.30, or this will be like $93.60, or only 91, but until RSI is on its way to 70 area, I'm going to try to hold long position. But how am I going to buy? After close price of 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart is above 89, and they sit on that support, for example, I'm going to try to buy that instrument, because this situation is showing us a strong buyer near this support. Strong buyer means that they will try to go up. It doesn't mean that they're on their way to 103 right now, but the range is evident, I would say so. This is gold. Current price is 1,740. On weekly chart, there are a couple of weeks that we saw going up, going down, and still this is a range. Still, this is not an upgoing tendency. What I want to pay attention to is that here is level of support 1,720, level of resistance 1,780, and after that level of resistance 1,780 and 1,800. Yes. So on weekly chart, there is no signal to trade. On daily chart, you can buy from 1720, not right now, or above 1780. On 4-hour chart, they are in Ishimoku cloud. It means that I'm going to try to find entry point intraday on 15-minute chart with a short position down to 1720. On 1-hour chart, don't use this tendency. This is a weak situation. When you see that market is trying to give you a range, this is a weak situation to use those tendencies. It would be much better to sell even right now. If they show you shadows on the top side on 15-minute chart, it's much better to sell from here than from the tendency line. On 30-minute chart, you can try to see a rebound from this area with the shadows on the top side as usually, and on 15-minute chart also the same. 1748, yeah, this area is good. I need to see shadows on the top side, and I'm going to sell down to 1720. Silver, current price is 21.10. Yesterday, I sent you to my Telegram channel that here is a good level of resistance, 21, which we can consider as a point for short positions, but right now it's not a good entry point for short positions, and I'm still waiting. Because yes, I had target to 20.20. I fixed it around 20.68, something like that. But because I decided that it doesn't look like a good seller right now. I checked United States dollar index, I checked gold, I checked other instruments, and I decided that for me it's not okay to hold this short position. I'd rather wait, and because I want to fix my profit. Let's be honest, I want to fix my profit, I want to add money to my deposits. So I sometimes just fix profit and I wait for a new entry point because I have time to do that and I know what I'm doing on the market. So yeah, if you are a trader who's just selling and waiting for the price, keep waiting 20.20 because I'm still trying to find entry point for a new short position. I didn't do it in the morning because even I saw this this resistance over here. I saw that, but I didn't have time to check if it's a good moment to sell for me right now. So I decided to leave it and to come to that later. For entry point right now, there is no opportunity for me. Seriously, it's not showing me any opportunity to sell right now. I see shadows on the top side. I see them, but also I see some shadows on the bottom side. So it doesn't look like a good moment for me to sell. I'm going to wait. The same with the gold. This is a good area, 21. This is a good area to sell. That maybe they will try to hit 21.20. I don't want to sit and like wait for a stop loss, or I don't want to sit and think like, oh yeah, that was a better entry point. If I would wait, I would enter market better. I don't want that. I have time, so yes, I'd rather wait and do that. Okay, on 1 hour chart, let's check it one more time. On 1 hour chart, they even didn't go to 70 area on RSI. Yeah, and I'd rather sell if they go to 70 area. One more moment. No. Okay, we should. No, I think the best opportunity is like to wait for shadows on the top side. Yeah, this is the best thing we can do on like a 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart. We need shadows on the top side, and after that we should see that gold is also showing us sell signal and sell silver. Usually gold goes first, so if you see gold going down, you can try to sell silver as well. But right now I was right. I was so right that I did not sell. Okay, let's talk about platinum as well. I'm pretty kind today. Seriously, here is level of support, 940. I told you that this is my target, 940. But since yesterday from 970, they went up to 994. It's not critical for me because I had a good entry point, but it doesn't look good right now. Honestly, it doesn't look good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my take profit, let's say like that, above this area, and I'm going to enter market with a new short position only under 985. After they break 985, I'm going to go down to 940. I'm not buying this instrument. So after they break this support, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this support over here, and after they break it, I will sell. If they don't break it, I don't sell. It's easy. For me, it's evident, but sometimes this is a trading for beginners, and sometimes I should say it, repeat it one more time. So yeah, this I see as a good level of support. After they break it, I'm gonna sell. This is what I think you should follow today. Here are a lot more that we should talk about, but I think a couple of instruments is enough for traders. Euro is perfect to trade today. Great Britain pound and gold and silver and Brent. There are beautiful technical pictures that are enough for you. And United States dollar with the Japanese yen. Don't forget about that. Go through my technical researches again. Ask me questions if you don't understand something, because I do it on almost daily basis, and I explain why I enter market, where is stop loss, why I think this is a good level of resistance or it's not. I hope it helps you to trade, and please press thumbs up, join my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. See you guys. Profit. Hi to you from Dubai.